Know that love can hurt sometimes, yeah. But when I'm with you, baby, time just flies.
YouTube, what is up? What is good with you guys? It's the Boul. Shout out to the Boul Nation. Hope y'all feeling good on a Saturday morning. Before we get to the video, hit the subscribe button. We got a couple new subscribers overnight. Appreciate y'all for subscribing. Welcome to the Boul Nation. Welcome to the channel where we just do content. You know, I might do unboxing. I might do story time, which I'm gonna bring those back. I might just do a sit down video. I might do a vlog. We just do content on this channel. We do all kinds of content all the time. So subscribe already. And speaking of unboxings, we have a lovely brown box here. Lovely brown box here that we'll be unboxing. Probably see about title right now, but yeah, it's another sneaker unboxing. This one was talked about a lot, but I don't think a lot of people went for it. So it's kind of interesting. What's a new box? I move some stuff around here. Hold on. I move some stuff around. Put that there. All right, here we go. So we actually have a red and white Nike box here, which is actually pretty different. Pretty different from, I guess, what you normally see. So you got Nike here, Nike all around, Nike, all around. So you probably might know what the box is, because I know probably a bunch of other YouTubers probably unboxed it already. But raise the lid. Bow. Ooh. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. And this is a pair of the Jordan 1 OG Heritage. And yeah, okay. So I think a big reason why this shoe wasn't really hyped is maybe because it's likely because of the color blocker. So this is kind of like an inverse colorway, because normally like this part here. Well, my fault. This part here is normally like the solid color, and this part here is normally like white. So yeah, it's kind of like an inverse. Normally like the swoosh is white, not like a color, but yeah, I messaged on pretty heavy though. I messaged on pretty heavy. Yeah, like the leather on this is pretty nice too. Pretty soft, pretty soft leather on the midsole. A little harder hair. Well, look kind of harder like leather on the back. Shoot. Take you out here. Take it inside. But yeah, I can talk. It comes with a bunch of laces too. So you got red, you got white, and then already has black laces kind of laced in already. So, and then red bottoms. Got the red bottoms. But yeah, overall, this is a pretty clean shoe. It's actually kind of fun because at first I wasn't really too hyped on the shoe, because of like it wasn't really like a standard color blocker, but more like I kept looking at it because, like I said, people kept bringing it up. People kept talking about the shoe, but I don't think a lot of people went for it. But it was like, I think it was $170. I actually got this on the Sneakers app, which is a rare Sneakers W. So thing is, like, I like this shoe though. It's like it's cool and different at the same time. Like I said, like I wouldn't mind if like maybe Nike gets like maybe like a I would say like blue, but I don't think a blue color color like this will work. But I think well, I mean, besides that, I mean, it's pretty much it's a regular standard Jordan 1. You know, it's like I got the Jordan wings on the side. Got some Nike. You see that Nike Air on the inside. Yeah, this is a standard, literally standard Jordan 1. It's that, like, it has that inverse colorway. It's got a pretty big tongue too. That's pretty unique. That's kind of one thing that kind of caught my eye really quick. But yeah, Jordan Heritage actually, I don't know, these are kind of these are like they're different, but yeah, clean. So like I can see why people really didn't like them or went for them, because they are like so different. At the same time, I like that Jordan switching up, because Jordan brand has kind of been pushing out this like similar shoes, just different colorways, or it might be the same colorway, with like a small little like color change or maybe switch the name up a little bit. Because like we got tons of like blue pair of shoes. We got like the Marina Blues. We got the Armory Navy, which I picked up recently. Got countless other like blue or like kind of blue rum kind of shoes and tinted with the red. So actually I like that Jordan is like switch up the color scheme, the color blocking on it. So I'm actually kind of excited to see what they're gonna do next on it. Pretty much. So yeah, like honestly, just let me know y'all opinion on the shoe. I think it's like this is a shoe I like. Actually, it could be a pretty solid like summer shoe as well, because it has a little like that red color could like balance out a little bit. You could mix in like a little more white too, because like I said, majority of the shoe is actually white as well. So and it has like hand black on the tongue too. So hey, good little summer shoe, or shoot, you're rocking in the fall, either or. So. As always, guys, like this video, get a thumbs up, and I will catch you next time.